Hey guys! Alright, so we're gonna jump into another wonderful drawing. I'm gonna start with the eyes here today. So I'm gonna go 1 and 2. And yes, I know you guys are probably saying those eyes are big. They are. Under the eyes, guys, I'm gonna do a smile like this. But then you wanna come down like this for the smile. It's a huge smile, guys. Circles for the eyes. And color those in. And I'm also gonna color in the mouth, also in black, okay? All right, I'm going to put a little circle here, like that. And then I'm going to draw a circle around this. Now I want this circle to touch the eyes, like this. So you want it to go almost on the eyes, basically. Okay, like that. And I'm going to come from here and I'm going to go out here. And on this side, I'm going to go out here. Up top here, on top here, I'm just going to go over like this. And then I'm going to come down like that. Okay, and this one is going to go up straight and curve like that. All right, let's add some details, guys. Let's watch the picture come to life. So I'm going to use a brown, okay, and I'm going to do a spot here and a big one here, one here, and maybe one right here. And on the face, I'm going to go this way. So I want it to be technically on the eye. I want to say on the eye or under the eye. Okay, and down here as well, let me color those in. All right, and then after the brown, I'm going to go in with some black. So I'm going to do some black spots, smaller ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and on the face, I'm just going to do one right here. Okay, now we want to do some whiskers. Now this cat looks a little crazy. So I'm going to have one that goes there, a short one like that, one that goes out. Okay, I'm going to do a short one and then a long one. Same thing on the other side, a long one, and then a short one, and a long one, and a short one, and a long one. like that. All right, I'm going to do 3 here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take my pink and I'm going to color the nose and I'm going to color inside the ear. Now I'm just making a shape similar to the shape of the ear, or a little longer. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to take my black. I'm just going to do a little line in the nose like that. And I want to do a line under the eyes, just for some details. I'm going to do one that goes here as well. And I think that's it for my cat. He's a super happy cat. Yeah, a little crazy, but happy. So I hope you guys had fun with this one. I had lots of fun doing it with you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.